Hey everybody, it's Lon Seibin. It's time for another unboxing. I got this in the other day from Bitt. This is called the Pocket Go, and it's a little emulation handheld that costs around 40 or 45 bucks, depending on where you buy it. Now, in full disclosure, this came in free of charge from Bitt. However, all the opinions you're about to hear are my own, and nobody is reviewing or approving this video before it gets uploaded. And we're going to have a full review of this soon on my main channel at lon.tv. And it's a very tiny little device here, as you can see, as we take off all the stuff here. There we go. Oh, they'll give you a memory card in the box, too. That's pretty cool. So we get an 8 gigabyte card, SanDisk card, too, no less. Awesome. So we'll pop that in a few minutes here. So it feels pretty good. You know, it's about the size of an NES controller, I would say, with the screen. So we'll see how it performs. Now, I'm not expecting a lot out of this. I think this is going to be like an 8 and 16-bit emulation device, but we'll try out a couple of different consoles and see how it works. I've seen some reviews of it already, and it looks like it can play the PlayStation, but just not with a high frame rate. So depending on the intensity of the PlayStation game will determine the overall performance. But keep your expectations in check here, I think, and you'll be pleased with it. Now, it looks like this thing probably needs a charge. So I'm going to plug it in before we start reviewing it, because I think it's going to take a while for it to get enough juice to get going. But we'll pop it down there for a second. And let's see what else we got in here. So we've got a little package of stuff, a little instruction guide here. So you can see how to adjust the volume. I'm going to scan this probably, or take a photo of it just to have it in a safe place. Now, they also let you take it apart and change out the buttons. So if you want a different color scheme, oops, I'm losing them already, you can go ahead and do that. And let's see what else we got in here. Looks like they give you a little micro SD card reader. That's a nice little touch to include that, a little USB reader. And you get the charging cable, but no power adapter. But I think we all now have USB charging available. So what I'm going to do is get this thing charged up so I can turn it on. Get some games loaded up on that SD card, check and see if there's some firmware, and get it going. Now you've got your full suite of buttons here, and you've got two up top, so it largely mirrors the Super Nintendo button layout. And you also have a headphone jack here. And it looks like, too, they've got AV out, so you could plug it into a television. I don't know why you would want to do that, but you can if you want. And you've got your SD card slot there and a reset button for moving it back to the main menu, I'm guessing. Volume control is over here. And the power switch is right over here. So it looks like it's got a light on here, but I don't think we've got enough juice to do anything. So I'm going to charge this up, and I will let you know what I think of it very soon on the main channel at lon.tv. Again, it's the Pocket Go from Bitt, and it's only about 40 bucks. Stay tuned.
This channel is brought to you by the lon.tv supporters, including gold level supporters, the Four Guys with Quarters podcast, Tom Albrecht, Brian Parker, and Kalyan Kumar. If you want to help the channel, you can by contributing as little as $1 a month. Head over to lon.tv/support to learn more. And don't forget to subscribe. Visit lon.tv/s.